已故王妃戴安娜同查理斯王子嘅婚禮紀念品，除咗各款印有佢哋肖像嘅陶瓷杯、傳統嘅鐵罐餅乾、仲有戴妃生前嘅愛車，同80年代潮流玩意扭計骰等，反映到當時社會興啲咩，亦都見到民眾對皇室婚禮有幾重視。
When Charles and Di came to their wedding in 1981, the economic climate was not that good. However, we all want a souvenir. We always want something to mark that moment. It was a big fairy tale moment. And these events only happen every 30 years. So we all want to celebrate, and we can all dig a little bit deeper and afford to buy at least one souvenir.
30年後，威廉同凱特嘅婚禮紀念品，不論係款式同設計都更加大膽創新，人像由硬照變成 Q 版公仔，甚至連安全套同內褲都有。
So there might be more variety, but they won't be mass-produced in the same way as other things. So you get mass production in terms of mugs and plates and flags and things that we'll know will sell, and there will be limited numbers of other things that may be already running out.
Robert 認為越嚟越多玩味十足嘅紀念品，某程度亦都反映英國皇室同民眾嘅距離日漸拉近。特別係對威廉同凱特有一種親切感。展覽呢亦都有少量英女王同菲臘親王喺1947年結婚時嘅紀念品。不過由於佢哋結婚嗰年正係2次大戰之後嘅2年，經濟蕭條加上原材料缺乏，所以大部分嘅紀念品都係一啲紙製嘅小冊子同砌圖。最名貴嘅就係呢一啲鏡盒。呢啲皇室婚禮紀念品喺倫敦一間博物館展出，展期去到今年8月底。香港寬頻電視記者李妍影喺英國倫敦報道。